We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello student, myself Monica Chauhan from NG Patel Polytechnic College. So in this lecture we will discuss about inbuilt mathematical function. We all know that in .NET programming unit number 5, inbuilt functions and database access using ADO.NET. In that chapter the very first topic is inbuilt functions. So we all know that in inbuilt function there are 2 types of function, mathematical functions and string manipulation methods. So in this presentation we will discuss about mathematical functions. So before moving on that, first of all, what is inbuilt function? So we all know that Visual Basic provides many built-in functions which accept one or more argument and return value based on the arguments. For example, the square root function returns the square root of the numerical argument that is passed to it. So for that we can use mathematical functions to perform mathematical operation. So here mathematical function, which type of mathematical function are used in Visual Studio? We all know that the different types of mathematical functions are square root of the functions, ABS function, EXP function, fix function, init function, log function, RND function, round function, etc. Okay, so we will discuss each and every function in detail with example. First of all, ABS function, which means absolute value, right? The ABS function is used to return the absolute value of a specified number, right? A syntax of absolute value is math.abs in bracket n, where n is any number. This function returns the absolute value of n number, where n is any positive number or negative number, right? So here is the example of ABS function. In this example we create one module. In this module first we declare 3 variable a, b, c as integer, right? When in ABC we can pass the ABS function with use of math.abs minus 16, any n number value, indicate syntax, right? Then minus 100.123 and 20.2. So absolute value of minus 16, minus 100.123 and 20.2, the output will be 16, 100.123 and 20.2. So basically it is the absolute value of any positive and negative number. Next is explanation function, EXP function. So EXP function is used to return a double value containing e, the base of natural logarithm raised to specified power. Here e value is fixed in mathematics, which is 2.718. The syntax of EXP function is math.exp and in bracket n is any number. Let's see the example of EXP function. In EXP function, here we can calculate the EXP value of 2. So we can write math.exp in bracket 2 and display the result of the explanation value of the 2 is, answer will be 7.389. Okay, we all know that in VB.NET for displaying output we can use console.writeLine function, right? Next is fix function. So basically what is fix function? The fix function truncates the decimal part of a positive number and returns the largest integer smaller than the number, but when the number is negative, it will return smallest integer larger than the number. So basically, for example, fix 9.2 equal to 9 and fix minus 9.4 equal to minus 9, right? So in positive number, we can see the largest number will be the output, and in negative number, the smallest value will be the output, right? Here it is the syntax of fix function, math.fix in bracket n is any number. Let's see the example of fix function. In this example, we will calculate the fixed value of minus 8.4 and fixed value of 9.2. We all know that now, that in minus, if number is negative, then smallest value will be the output, and number is positive, then largest number will be output. So output will be minus 8 and 9. Okay. Now next function is init function, integer function. The init is a function that converts a number into an integer by truncating its decimal part, and the resulting integer is the largest integer that is smaller than the number. For example, init 2.4 equal to 2, init 6.9 equal to 6, but in negative value, init minus 5.7 equal to minus 6 and init minus 19.98 equal to 100, minus 100. Okay, here it is the syntax of init, math.init in bracket n is the any number value. Here is the example of init function. In this example, in a value of init function minus 8.4, it will be minus 9, and 9.2, the answer will be 9. Okay. Next is log function, logarithm value. The log function is the function that returns the natural logarithm of a number. For example, log 10, log 2, log 4, log 5, etc. The syntax of log function is math.log in bracket n is the any number. Here is the example of log function. In this example, we will find the log value of 9, and then answer will be 2.1972, right? So it will give the logarithm value of 9 on base 10, right? Next is RND function. So what is RND function? RND function means random value. It will deal with the concept of chance and probability value. The RND function returns random value between 0 and 1, or we can initialize by our value. Okay, syntax of RND function is math.rnd in bracket n is number. Here is the example of RND function. In that function, we can use one keyword, randomize keyword, for find the RND value, and one equation will be there. In this equation, plus 6 indicate the maximum value and 1 indicate the minimum value. So output will be in between 1 to 6. So it random value, any value will display as the output. So here the RND value of A is 2, right? Next is round function. So what is round function? The round function is the function that rounds up a number to a certain number of decimal place. The format is round in bracket n comma m, where n is a number and m is a decimal digit. Okay, here is the example of round function. In this example, math.round in bracket 7.2567 comma 2. So here 7.2567 is n and m is 2, right? So in decimal value, 2 value indicate, so 2 5 is indicate, but after 5 there is 6, so 5 is increment by 1, so the output will be 7.26. Here is the syntax of round function, math.round in bracket n comma n. Here is the example of round function. In this example, we can find the value of 4.256 comma 2. So we can indicate 2 decimal value to 5, but after 5 there is 6, so 5 plus 1, so answer will be 4.26. Round value of 4.256 is 4.26, right? And the last function is square root functions. The square root function is used to return the square root of the number, and the syntax is basically simple syntax is math dot square root of n, right? Here is the example of square root function. We all know that the square root of 4 is 2, so output will be 2, right? So here we will complete, we all completed the mathematical functions. Thank you. If you have any query, contact me on my Gmail account.